Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about in our science about aquarium. Clear, children? What is meant by the word aquarium? For that, first of all, we have to know what is aqua. Aqua means water. A-Q-U-A. Aqua means water. Aquarium, the water, living, that organisms. Okay, here in aquarium, what is aquarium means? A glass container in which we are keeping fish, water plants and small turtles, like that and all we can grow. That setup we called as aquarium. Okay, it's a glass container in which small fish or other water plants, animals can live. That glass container, that setup we called as aquarium. So before going deep into that aquarium, first we have to know the main aspects of fish. So here, fish. See, this part of the fish is very much important. This part we called as gills. If you are planning to make a setup, aquarium setup, first of all we have to know about the fish gills. What is important in this means the fish is breathing. We are breathing through our nose, no? Like that the fish breathe through the gills. This gills, it's open and close. It's like a flap like thing. So it's a flap like thing, it opens and closes. You have to notice it very carefully. If you have an aquarium, you note down that the flapping of the gills, folder, the skin's folder is flapping. That it's a regular interval, whether it is doing in regular interval or some disturbance is, or you noticing any disturbance in that. You have to notice it clearly. So if there is any irregular flapping means the fish felt bad. It shows that the fish is not suited to that environment. The water is maybe dirty, that the environment, the plants may affect, like that. It shows, it indicates that the flapping of the gills indicates that irregular flapping. If it's doing it regularly, the movement of the fish inside the fish tanks, it's smooth moving means okay. Some irregular movements, some disturbing movements, fighting like sequence is happening means it shows that the fish is not suited to that environment. You have to check through all these things. Okay. So this is very much important. The gills, the flapping, you have to notice it all the time. Every kind of fish. So before going into the aquarium setup, what are the things you have to check through? Okay. First of all, so if you plan to buy an aquarium, you have to keep it in a place where there is no too much of sunlight. You should not keep it near the windows, not near the doors. So in near windows and doors a lot, too much of sunlight will be exposed. So it's not good for the fish and even for the aquatic plants. It's not good for it. So there should be mild light. The place should not expose to the too much of sunlight. Then moreover, that near the windows and doors, there may be many disturbance. We move out and comes in with lots and lots of noise. We shout. So all that may disturb the fish. So the fish tank should not be near the doors or windows and it should not expose to too much of sunlight. You have to notice this point very clearly. Then it should not be near that AC, that air cooler we are keeping, no? So over near that AC, it should not, the fish tank setup should not be there. And near the TV, if you are keeping the tank near the TV, that speaker noise and all disturbs the fish lot. You know one thing? The fish can hear the mild music. It reacts the waves of music. So there should not be too much of noise. So near the TV, AC, so you should the side wall, have you noticed in the side, if it goes to the side and back side of the fridge, lot many heat traces are there. So it should not be near that electrical appliances also. Then it should not be near the switch boxes. Okay, so in fish tank we are keeping water, no? It may some other way while we are cleaning the tank, the water droplets may spread over there, no? So in order to avoid that, you should not, the fish tank should not be kept near the flood points. Okay, so these are the things you have to notice. Then as a beginner, if you have already aquarium means you know it very well. If you are beginner, so hereafter only you are going to buy a fish tank, means you buy a small, as a beginner you buy a small fish tank which is comfortable for our handling, comfortable for the handling. Okay, so at least minimum 4 fish, don't buy too much of fishes, at least 4 fish is enough. Okay, then keep the fish tank near the area where you can get water. It should be, the fish tank should be maintained with water. Okay, so where you are getting, where the accessibility of water is there, no, near that area. So don't keep the fish tank in that room where there is no tap availability. So keep a fish tank where we get water accessibility. Okay, then don't keep your fish tank under the steps. In some houses I noticed they are keeping under the steps. The area is not at all suitable. So we are tumbling down, no, while we are running up the stairs, we are coming down. This noise may disturb the fish. Okay, so don't keep under the such kind of places, damp places. Don't keep the fish in the damp place, dark rooms. So all these things should be avoided. Okay, then what kind of fish tanks are not available? The fish tanks are available in rectangular shape, okay, or that hexagon shape, round shape. In some houses I noticed their door itself they made like that of fish tank. So it's different according to your need. You can buy your fish tank. Okay. Then what are the tools you have to buy? Means in fish tank there is a tool called filter. Then you need a net to catch the fishes, and you need a light, the luminance. Different colored lights also available, blue, white, red, like that. Fish lamp. So equipments. What are the equipments? Filter, light, net, okay, all these things you need. Then apart from that, if you want to grow plants along with the fish, I want to grow plants, aquatic plants also means you should make a fish tank. Soil bed should be prepared, dark soil bed or plain soil bed. So you can buy everything, whatever you need in that aquarium shops. If you go in Google search, what are the aquarium shop nearby me, you can find many aquarium shops in Namakkal. So you buy the soil and the dark soil, black soil, grey color soil and all available. You buy that and grow the aquatic plants also. These aquarium plants, these plants, ferns like plants also there. Then some ribbon like leaves also there. So different plants, some grass like plants also there. So keep the plants according to their heights. Okay, the height, the plants which are tall, keep it at side of the tank. Okay, the plants are small size in the bottom, in the lower level, in the center of the tank. Then, so keep the fish tank in such setup. Then moreover, if you don't have plants, aquarium plants on the soil, I don't need all those things, means it's very simple and good. You can at the bottom you can spread some pebbles, okay, very smooth, small stones, no, that we called as pebbles. Those different color stones are available. Those pebbles you buy and spread over the bottom of the aquarium. Okay. Then under the aquarium, the aquarium is full setup is of glass, isn't it? You have to take more care to handle the glass structure. So in order to avoid any cracks over the corners, keep the tank over one thick thermocol sheet. Okay, make a 2-3 layers of thermocol sheet on the table. Then over that you keep the tank. Okay, so if there is any disturbance, if you hit the table also, the tank won't be broken very quickly. So the thermocol absorbs that shock absorber like that. Okay, clear children? Then if any fish dead in that aquarium, see different types of fishes are there. If any fish, small fish dead means, you have to remove the fish very quickly. What happened if the dead fish may be eaten by the other fishes? It's good for the other fish also. So fish is an omnivorous. Fish is an omnivorous. It can eat anything. So it's good for the fish, but it is better as our emotions. It won't be good now. So remove the fish as soon as possible. Notice it. The fish tank should be set up in a place where we can notice the fish tank very often. It can be set up in a hall or in bedroom. Okay, they're very smooth. If you set up the fish tank in bedroom, no, it gives some stress releasing thing. Okay, so the fish tank should be set up in the place where we can observe it very often. Then the filter is what means that equipment which is in that, no, the filter is with some water suckers over there inside it. It sucks the dirt in the water, and the dirt, that bubbles will comes out, so it disturbs the upside, so that the water is there, no, it disturbs the upside, the bubbles which comes, that disturbs the water layer, so that only the mixing of atmospheric gas with the water is automatically done because of the filter. Okay, the bubbles makes that. Okay, so the oxygen, the fish breathe through the gills, I said, no, which it takes the oxygen which is mixed in the water. So the water should mix thoroughly with the oxygen when it is possible. If you leave the fish tank without the filter, it won't be that much possible. It can live, but not like, because of small tank it is very disturbed. The fish got very disturbed. So the filter is the must. Very first equipment what we have to buy if you want to set up aquarium ceremony, your very first equipment we need is a filter. So that bubbles disturb the water surface, so it allows to mix the atmospheric gas into that water. So the oxygen availability for the fish, so it won't get disturbed. The fish won't get disturbed. Okay, it gets the enough oxygen. Then what are the benefits we are getting out of the aquarium? So we can say many benefits. As I said before, if you are keeping it in the bedroom, it keeps our stress free. And moreover, nowadays they are trying to say that Vastu and all for keeping the aquarium, north side, northeast corner, like that and all they are saying. No? So you check through all those things. If you have lot many place in your house, you keep in such a corner. So you notice that before it, all the points what I discuss you with, check all the points, you keep in that corner. Okay. Then it reduces the stress and it gives calm mind. Okay, that is that reducing the stress. And as the Vastu, they are saying that it brings prosperity, health, wealth. Okay, so we believe whatever we believe, it may happen, isn't it? So our room, yeah, that means kids' rooms, the kids learn the productive activity. That means they won't sit quiet, they won't be lazy. If the one fish tank is there in the kids' bedroom means those kids, if you notice it very keenly, those kids, they are very much active in all their work. Maybe in academics or in other co-curricular activities. They are good in both the sections. So keep your fish tank in bedroom. That means kids' bedroom. It's a very much effective one. Then by seeing it, if you see the fish tank more than 10 minutes means it brings lots of calmness in your mind. So it makes to think, to get a new creative idea. If you are disturbed in some other problem means you go sit with your pet. You know that if you are, I have an aquarium in my house. If I keep my hand on the tank, at the side wall of the tank, one fish come and lick, that means come near to my finger. So it recognizes the owner's face, the fish. So that love and affection, the kids learn love and affection from the pets. Okay, not only this, I am talking about every pets. So that it will recognize the owner's face, the fish may. Then nowadays studies are saying that the fish may recognize the mild music also. It reacts according to the music also, they are saying. Okay children, so far we seen about that fish. So different types of fish also there. If you are planning to buy a aquarium setup, here guppy small fishes are available, golden fish, angel fish, fighter fish, betta fish, like that many fishes are available. So you can buy anything. So at least you ask the shop seller, they will say that what are the, so you should not make different kinds of fish in the same tank. You should not introduce the fighter fish to the golden fish tank. Okay, so there won't be any fighting between the two fish. You have to check through that. Some fish go fine with the other fishes. So such type fishes you should allow to enter. So mostly two type of fishes, angel and goldfish. They are being friends always. So angel and gold, like the two varieties of fish in a tank. Okay. Then what are the food we have to buy for the fish? Means the small pellets like foods are available. So those pellets you can buy. See, during this lockdown period, we struck over 3 days in some other house. So that time, the fish in my house that it go without food. So it's no problem. It can go without food for 3 days. There won't be any problem. Listen children, it can go without food for 3 days. So fish, so the good bacteria which grows over there, no, that may be the food for the fish. So no problem. Or otherwise the food is not available. Lockdown period, all the shops are closed. What food I am buying, though such food is not available, means what can I do? It's no problem. You can give some small pieces of carrot, then what is that? Dry fish, karvadu. So such thing. You make it crush and put into the tank. That's more than enough for the fish for 2 more days. Okay. So you can give some natural food to the fish also. Okay, like this you can keep aquarium setup. Enjoy your holidays children. Thank you very much for watching.